pretty standard, I think, to record the Jagex toilets when you're at Jagex, so you should probably do that. Yeah. Okay, I'm crossing that off my bucket list.
Right.
You ready? Ready to do this?
Maybe. Not maybe, Shawnee, you got
Come on, Shawnee, we got
the cameras. Hello everybody and welcome to our final table discussion. Sad in a way, but also it has been a very long day.
It's been a bit.
Of course, myself, Mod Shawnee, Mod Osborne, Mod Connor here, and Justice, I'm Rainy here. Great staff.
Okay.
I'm good. I'm good.
Well,
Anyone else? Something left to do. What? Oh, no. I know exactly what it's about to do.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
No, it's not my birthday.
Happy birthday, dear Shawnee. Happy birthday to you.
Ongoing being.
Not actually his birthday.
On that bombshell.